In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Fandom Wiki. First, go to the Fandom website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here you'll see View Profile option. Click on it. Now, you'll be taken to your profile page. Here, move your cursor to the three dots on the right side of your screen. A few options will pop up. Click on Special Pages. On the Special Pages section, scroll down until you find the Other Special Pages section. Here, you will see an option called User Activity. Click on it. On this page, you will see all the wikis you have created in the past. Find the wiki you want to delete and click on it. Once you are on the wiki page, hover your mouse over the three dots next to its title. A menu will appear. Click on Delete. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete the page. Click on Delete Page to proceed. After that, your wiki will be successfully deleted.